Number 16. Give a talk. It means to deliver a short informal speech or presentation.
He will give a talk on climate change. He will give a talk on climate change. She gave a talk at the local library. She gave a talk at the local library. Next week, I'm giving a talk at school. Next week, I'm giving a talk at school.
Number 17. Give way to. It means to yield or make space for something. Also can mean to be replaced by something.
The old building will give way to a new mall. The old building will give way to a new mall. Snow gives way to green fields in spring. Snow gives way to green fields in spring. Patience often gives way to frustration in traffic. Patience often gives way to frustration in traffic.
Number 18. Give off a smell. It means to emit a smell.
The flowers give off a lovely smell. The flowers give off a lovely smell. This cheese gives off a strong odor. This cheese gives off a strong odor. The old books give off a musty smell. The old books give off a musty smell.
Number 19. Give up hope. It means to stop believing that something positive will happen.
He refused to give up hope on finding his dog. He refused to give up hope on finding his dog. She almost gave up hope of passing her exam. She almost gave up hope of passing her exam. Don't give up hope, things will improve. Don't give up hope, things will improve.
Number 20. Bread goes hard. It means when bread becomes stale and tough.
If left out, bread goes hard quickly. If left out, bread goes hard quickly. Their bread went hard after a few days. Their bread went hard after a few days. She doesn't like it when the bread goes hard. She doesn't like it when the bread goes hard.